Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to share Pinterest pin to WhatsApp. Let's say you want to share this particular pin in Pinterest now. You tap on this icon that looks like upload, click on it, and then you choose WhatsApp, and then you want to share it. If you have WhatsApp installed on your PC, have it linked. This is the online one. So I have it already downloaded. I don't need to download it, but you can link it like this, or in this case you can just copy the link since I already have WhatsApp installed, and then simply go to my WhatsApp, and then I paste the link and I send it. So when the person click on the link like this, it will open up that pin that you shared. You can see it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.